In this video, I am going to show you how to add Google extensions to Opera GX. So this is Opera GX. Just go to Chrome Web Store and just click that. And there, you can pick any extension for your Opera GX. And all of these are meant for Google. So just like this, I've added a cursor style from Chrome Web Store, and usually I cannot use this because I have my own design cursor, so I have to delete that later. So anyways, um I we have to install um another extension, which is this ChatGPT sidebar. Like it said, add to Chrome. Even it's Opera GX, you can still add it, and you can see add extension, and voila, you can see that in extensions, even though it's for Chrome. So as you can see this, and usually you can add the extensions of Google, like Google Translate, Google Arts Culture, and many more.